Hold both strings in one hand. Smile, bite together, and place the button in front of your closed teeth. Wrap your lips around it, then smile and gently pull the string away from you while you resist with your cheeks and your lips. Repeat on your right side. Place the button in the corner of your mouth and pull the string forward at a slight angle. Make sure to smile with both sides of your face, not just the side the button is resting on. Repeat on your left side. Remember, pull the string forward and smile with both sides of your face. Try to avoid pulling the string and then engaging your cheek muscles. Make sure you smile first and then pull. Try to avoid space or an air pocket between the button and your teeth. The button should stay against your teeth the whole time. Be sure to always pull the string forward and to smile with both sides of the face. Repeat right, left, and center 20 seconds each. Tongue, lip, and cheek exercises on demand, including weekly routines, live classes, and private sessions. It's Myo DIY.